Thanks for joining me today, my friends. Hope you are having a wonderful day, guys. Today we have a very powerful setup on SPY. As you can see right over here, guys, let me just move these out of the way. We have a daily inside bar, so I'm going to be talking about a great swing opportunity that we have going into the rest of the week, as well as I'm going to review the daily trade on futures as well as Tesla. So if you're ready, my friends, let's step into the war zone. First and foremost, let's send some love to the army. Ram, Trading Wars Army, good to see you, brother. Nandi, Anti, Jorge, welcome to the Trading Wars Army. Let's welcome Jorge with the TW Army Spy VIP. G-Man, Bill, Hillbilly, Candace, Janice, Alicia, Tyrone, Wesley, Bill, T, Corey, J. Sosa, Man, Hennock, Juan, Edwin, Jonathan, Trading Wars Army strong. Derek, what's going on, brother? Veronica, good to see you. Man, guys, let's get right into it. Isabel, what's going on? So let's start off first with the day trades, and then we're gonna set up the stage for the market on what's coming on, and just get you guys ready. Okay, so let's go right ahead and hit the replay button for today's price action, and I'll walk you through how we're able to make $1,116. Okay, so right there, I'm gonna hit that replay and get right into it. Okay. So first thing, always draw the previous day's high and low. That's critical for me to understand where we are on the chart. Okay. So here is our high. Here is our low. The first 5-minute bar comes in. You can see we opened pretty much exactly where we closed. So whenever I see this type of open, I'm not going to trade right away. I'm not looking for anything aggressive. Instead, I'm going to sit back and wait. And we got this beautiful 618 Fibonacci setup that was absolutely stunning today. Okay, so let me go ahead and walk you through this one. Okay, so I'm going to start from the beginning. So we had our pre-market Fibonacci setup. You can see we got filled at 943, and then we were able to hit our targets right here. But let me go ahead and set the stage for you guys. Okay, so here was SPY. Now let's go to the futures chart. Okay, so now what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the open. So the open is right here. So this is 930. Okay. So let's go ahead and let's draw a box around the open of the day. So that's the base. That section is the first half an hour of the day. However, let's look to the left of this price action. So the trick here is to understand that before the market opened, all of this price action was happening. Okay, so what do we see here? So this was Sunday open. Okay, so this is the Sunday open right here. And then right around 3:40 a.m., we put in this high and then we started trending downwards. Okay, so is that a bearish or bullish direction coming into the open? Hit me with a 1 for bearish, hit me with a 2 for bullish. What's going on, Brandon? What's going on, Johnny? So this is the key, guys, to understanding a lot of the Fibonacci, is understanding what is happening before the open. Because here is the first bar on SPY, 930. Here is the first bar on SPY as well. That's regular trading hours. But if you look at the futures market, all of this happened before. Can you see that on this chart? Hit me with a 10 if yes, hit me with a 12 if no. So obviously, guys, that first candle, you don't see all the other things that happen overnight. And that is one of the tricks. That's one of the keys, is to understand what was the scenario coming into the open. So now let's go back here and we're going to go ahead and we're going to draw our anchors. So every day coming into the market, we'll have a pre-market plan. So the pre-market is looking at what was the most recent price action. Okay. So we can see right here that our high was 41. So you saw we wrote this up at 935. So 41.76 was our high. So let's go ahead and draw that. So I'm going to take my Fibonacci anchor. Okay. And let's go back to the beginning so that you guys don't see any of the activity at the open. So I just want to show you how we draw it up in real time. All right. So I'm taking away all that price action right there. Okay. So the high was 41.76. So put our Fibonacci right there. Okay, and then I'm going to double click and I'm just going to put on the 618. That's all you guys need to worry about when you're starting fresh, starting as a new trader. That's the key level. 41.76, the low is 41.59 and a quarter. 41.59 and a quarter. So I have it right here. I'm going to extend this to the right now. Extend So I'm just going to do extend lines to right. Okay. So this is how it looks like coming into the open. Okay. Hit me with the 15 if you're following along. So what we're going to do now is we know that the direction going into the open was bearish. So we're looking right here, guys. What we're looking for is if we come back to this 618 right there, that's the golden ratio. If we come back to that 618 Fibonacci, that's where I'm going to hit short. That's when I'm going to hit the short button, because I'm going to get a 61.8% discount on this trade. I'm going to get a 61.8% advantage on this trade. If I chase at the lows, I'm going to not be able to get a discount because I'm getting in at an expensive price. All right. So here we go. Let's go through the price action. All right. So let's go through the price action. There's our 930 bar. Okay. 935, 940. And this one is going to give you goosebumps. Okay, guys. This is going to give you goosebumps. So our Fibonacci is 4169.50. The high of this candle was exactly 4169.50. Okay. And then I'm going to go also here to my, oops, that's my post for later. Let me get my brother's account pulled up, because he has a broker statement here. Okay. So let's look at this broker statements together. So this was the trade from today. Right here. Okay. So that was 10 hours ago. Sorry. Where's the broker statement today? Did he post it? 417. 417. Yes. Okay. So right here, sold 4164.50. Okay. I'm gonna go back here. So from here, guys, some of you, if we go actually to SPY, what you'll see is we don't fill the 618. Okay. So I want to show you the difference. Okay. So here we go. Let's play the same price action. So here's 930. This candle is 940. 930, 935, 940. Okay. So what you'll see is if you look on this chart, there's no reference point, right? Can you see a 618 here? There is no prior reference point. However, when you're looking at futures, if you look to the left, you could see all of this bearish momentum. And that's the trick about the pre-market. Okay. So let's go right back in here. So you could see at 943, 618 filled short. Okay. So let me show you that right here. Right there, guys, to the penny. That's the type of stuff that gives me goosebumps. And then check this out right after. Boom, 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 boom. Right there. There's our new low. Okay. So that little trade right there, guys, this price action right here into this new low right there. You cannot understand that concept without understanding what happened in the pre-market. So hit me with the 15 if that makes sense. Okay. And then from there, I think we had another trade here. So this one right here was the 1127 trade. So let me pull that back up. This one was the 1127 trade, guys. All right. So I got confused with the broker statements there. So we took this other one right here, 1127. So now let's move on to this one. Okay. So after the pre-market does its thing, we settle down here at 1127. And this is the part right here. It says, I'm filled on ES 3 cents below 618 for SPY. Okay. This part right here, guys, is what is kind of, it'll make you salty. Okay. And I'll show you what I mean. So here we go. So there's 1055. Okay. So right here, 1125. So let's go back to the broker statements here. So you see, we got filled at 1125. 4164.50 on this futures contract here. Okay, so let's play this out now. So after that pre-market short, the next thing that we have here is this leg. Okay, so this is the price action of the day. So here we go. 930, we push up, and then we finally make this low. So once this low comes in here, we know, okay, we want to go bearish now because the bears have proven themselves by making a new low. So let's draw our fib now from high to low. Okay, so let me make sure I have the exact levels for you guys. 4169.50 and the low is 4156.50. Now look at this one again, guys. This high 4164.50 and the Fibonacci is 4164.50 exactly. Those two plays, the pre-market and then going into the intraday, really, like, it just gave me goosebumps today because It just hit to the exact point. And it doesn't always do that, but when it does, it just sends this thing through your head like, oh my God, like are we chasing that robot? Are we on that algo? However, let's go to SPY. Okay, so let's replay SPY again. Okay, so let's replay the whole morning of SPY. So I'll show you now. All right. So here's the first few candles. So this was the 618 short on the pre-market. Then from there, we made our new low right here. So then let's go ahead, draw our anchor, high to low, like this. Okay, and now watch 412.78. Okay, so we made a new low there. All you do, drag that anchor. Okay, continue. There, gone. So right here, this was what the difference between SPY and futures is sometimes. SPY did not touch the 618. However, futures did. So what's that showing me, guys, based on this, is that futures were leading the SPY. Futures were leading the S&P 500 ETF because this was filled on the short first. The algo pushed it down there, guys. And then this one couldn't even reach it in time. So hit me with a 19 if that makes sense. So this was the nerve. And you know, we also had a Nirvana pattern on SPY, which is one of our powerful patterns. So I know that the 618 didn't fill, but if you guys really wanted to take it, you could just take it right there with that Nirvana. Okay. But this was pretty crazy right here because it literally sent chills through my body. And it just makes you feel like, man, trading futures is amazing. Because the two concepts I just showed you there was looking at the pre-market, all of this price action, and seeing those laser fills. I mean, to the penny. All right. So those are the two concepts I wanted to show with you guys in day trading there with futures. $1,116 locked in on the second trade. Very, very nice. Hit me with the 10 if that all made sense. Okay. And then what I'm going to show you right now, you might not be ready for this, but this is what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to double click on this and then I'm going to put the full on. Okay. I'm going to put the full extension on and extend to the right. Watch this. And if this one doesn't give you goosebumps, then I don't know what will, guys. Watch this carefully with me, okay? So here was the push down. There was the 618 fill, short. And then here was the extension. This was the low of the day. Stop right there. Look at this. This is the 618 extension. Can you believe that, guys? That's the 618 extension, and that was the low of the day on SPY, and we just ripped. So this bear, this algorithm, this robot, this masterpiece, we pushed down, we pulled to the 618, trade to the 618 extension. We had symmetry. I've been teaching you guys this concept for years now, guys, and it was just gone. And that's how you, if you're going to play options, that's what you do. You wait for the pullback, you wait for the extension, because those, if you buy calls here, guys, they're going to be cheap or expensive. Hit me with the 1 for cheap, hit me with the 2 for expensive. If you have the courage to wait for the move to complete, you always are going to get the best deal because no one is buying calls down here. Everyone is too scared except for the major players, the robots, the algos. They understand this game. It's mathematical. It's systematical. It's absolutely amazing. Hit me with the 369. Hit me with 369, guys, if your mind is blown, because every single day I come to this market, my mind is blown. And as long as I'm excreting some profits, guys, I didn't take the long. Okay, because I have my own rules, right? If I make money, I take that short, guys, and I make money, I don't need to come back and hit it again, right? That's just me based on, you know, what I do. But there's always opportunity, and that's something that I really want to share with you guys. There's always opportunity, all right? So let's double click on here. Let's put it to full again, and then I'll just show you on SPY how that worked. Double click. Full. Right there. Okay, so check this out. So there was the push down. There's our 618 right there. There's a 618, guys. Now watch. Gone. That long play, if you took that long play, guys, that was 1,000%. If you did 0 DTE on that long play right there, I think it was 1,000%. Can somebody confirm that? Real deal. Yes, I'll save this video always, brother. So that one was awesome. That was awesome, guys. That was really good. All right. So there we go. SPY. The next one I want to recap is Tesla. Okay. And then from there, we're going to look at the swing trade. So Tesla, yesterday, I provided this trading plan. So I'm going to go to the YouTube here and just show you. All right, so let me just show you guys this. 1 second. So every single day, if you guys are not aware, I post free trading plans. So please make sure you subscribe, hit the like button if your mind was blown, and also you get these free plans. So subscribers get my free plans every day for stocks. All right, so this brother Joe said he took it at 60 cents on SPX and it went to 6, but he sold too soon, so it could have probably went for a lot more. All right. So here you could see yesterday I gave Tesla, the long level was 185.85. All right. So for those that don't know, 300% for Keith, that's awesome. For those that don't know, if you join the Trading Wars Army, I do exclusive content every single day for the Trading Wars Army. So yesterday, what I did was I gave my Tesla trading plan. Okay, so my long, my stop, my target, looking for the 190 calls, etc., with the stop loss, everything. Okay, so if you guys are interested in that, if you want to support the Trading Wars, you can click the join button right here. Okay, so if you click on this video, this is the video you're watching right now. If you click join, it's $4.99 a month, exclusive content every day, and this play comes from that content. Okay, so this was the setup. So I want to walk you guys through. So we posted this for Trading Wars Army yesterday. So the difference between if you're a regular subscriber, I just want to make this clear. The difference between if you're a regular subscriber, I gave my levels. You can see that right here. But for the Trading Wars Army, I gave the options and the full plan. Okay. All right, so let's go look at Tesla. Why didn't you move the bottom anchor in that trade? Can you, which one, Janice? All right, so let's go ahead and let's look at Tesla. So Tesla, where did my profits go? Where'd it go? So hold on, guys. Let me just pull that back up. So Tesla today, right off the morning, it ripped. This was the one that I provided last night. I was up to a little over $1,100 on this trade. Okay, so let me just walk you through. Let me just show you how I set this up. Oh, there it is over here. First of all, why do we want to trade Tesla? So why did I pick Tesla to trade today? So let's go ahead. Wahid, welcome, my brother, to the Trading Wars Army, brother. Appreciate you. Guys, let's send Wahid TW Army Spy and VIP. Welcome, my brother. All right. So if we look at this price action, we have Thursday, Friday. Okay. So these were the last 2 days before this week. So what do we see here? This is a inside bar, right? Here is the inside bar right here. And here is the Thursday, which is the bigger bar. So you could see Friday's price action is fully inside of Thursday's price action. Hit me with a 7 if you can see that. Another way of looking at this is a pennant pattern, right? Because we are tightening the range. As the range tightens, the volatility eventually can squeeze because we have trapped long and short looking for a move. Some people are long, some people are short. That's when you see the price action getting tighter. They are in a point now where they're unsure of where it's going to go. So for example, people were shorting up here. Okay, so let's draw the short area. So people were shorting right up here. You could see. Look at those wicks right there. People were going long down here. Look at the buying down here. So when this range tightens, if we break through here to the upside, we could say, hey, we could squeeze these shorts. If we break down here to the downside, we say, hey, we could squeeze these bulls because they have to cover. They have stop loss. Hit me with the 15 if that makes sense. Okay. So what do we do? So this is my plan. So I'll show you. So we want to go long at 185.85. So draw that in right here. 185.85 right here. Okay, we'll put that in green. And we want to short at 182.44. So basically what we're saying is whatever direction Tesla wants to go, we're ready to play both sides. And that's the power of day trading. Okay, day trading is such a powerful tool because it doesn't matter what the market does. It wants to go, look at this. Okay, look at SPY. We shorted over here. We made $1,100. We could have also went long here and made $2,000. Okay, so you make $3,000, turn your money over, and then at the end of the day, you sit in cash. Is that liberating? Hit me with a 10 if you feel that's liberating. That's liberating, guys. So that way you don't have to sit your money. Listen, investing is a great thing to do, but day trading is is very, very powerful, because when you invest, you have no choice but to sit there and sit through all the painful moves on the chart. It can go up, it can go down. It's an emotional roller coaster. Whereas in trading, we're trying to make money both ways. And that is such a powerful tool, because that's where the edge is. Okay. So here we go. First candle comes in, bang. So this is what we want to see right at the open. Okay. So we come in, notice we touch our green level. There's our price. That's our fill. Let's put our stop loss. So our stop loss is right here, 184.65. Okay, so I'm just going to put the stop loss there. So we need to double click on this one. Let's put the stop loss in yellow. So there's our stop loss. So we're filled right on the open. Okay, boom. There's our push up. What's our target? 187, horizontal line. Trade is over, guys, right there. So I usually go for multiple targets, but if you're scalping, that's it. Okay, literally got filled and you hit your target within probably 6 or 7 minutes. All right. So from there, it's up to you how you want to play this. So we had a nice 2-leg move. And generally, my rule of thumb is when you have 2 legs, that's when you should get out most of your position, because the first pullback is the dip buying for the bulls. And then the extension is where everyone's trying to take something off. And you also had this big, long inverted hammer here that showed you the momentum was slowing. And then you could see right here, we came straight back down, and then eventually we came right back up. But that right here, this little piece here, guys, that's the part we're trying to capture. Hit me with a 15 if that makes sense. All right, so we did day trade, futures, SPY, blah, 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 options, futures, top picks, and then Tesla, done. Okay. John, what's going on, brother? Welcome to the Trading Wars Army. Let's welcome John with the TW Army SPY VIP. Boom. Right. Okay, so I'm done with those two. Now let's go ahead and let's look at our swing trade. Okay. So what's crazy about this all, I'll keep that in there. What's crazy about all of this, just take this off. We look at the daily chart on SPY, we have the exact same setup that we had on Tesla. So let me remove Tesla. Look at Tesla yesterday. So there we had that inside bar. The only difference is Tesla actually had a double inside bar. Okay. So SPY has an inside bar today. So let's look at the last few inside bars. So this one, we had this double inside bar, gap up, rip. We had this inside bar back on Feb 15th, nice rip down. And then this one was a fake out. And this one was also a fake out. So the inside bars, what the whole point of them is, they are a point, again, where the price action is consolidating and tightening. So we can draw it here. See these higher lows coming in here? And then right here, we have this, we have this, okay? And what we can see here is the price action now is starting to get trapped in this box. So here is, let's draw the boxes. So this is SPY right now. This is the box from Friday. And here was the box of the price action today, right here, okay? So the range is getting tighter. So anytime we have that setup, guys, again, same thing like Tesla. We're saying price cannot always be in this tight range forever, and we're looking for a big move. So what are my levels? So I already posted my levels here. So make sure you guys subscribe again. 413.67. Okay. So this is going to be our long. And our short, 411.38. I also put the calls and the puts there for you guys as well. So that's my game plan tomorrow. I'll be watching that, as well as hitting the fibs as we always do. Double click on that. Okay, so there it is. So we'll be looking to play bullish this way if it breaks through this line, and bearish this way if it breaks through that line. All right, hit me with the 17 if that makes sense. And what I'll do, so I also posted in my Discord the swing trades. I posted the full plans if you guys are interested, with the futures as well, if you want to do with futures. So the difference with futures is you could actually get in right now because the futures market is still running. All right. So there we go, guys. That's the plan for tomorrow. And hopefully it's a similar situation to what Tesla did, and we can bank on that. But this is what I want to tell you guys. Thank you very much for giving me your time today. Really appreciate it. I'm in love with the Fibonacci. It's changed my life, made me a lot of money. And really and truly, if you ever have the time, guys, do your research on the Fibonacci, and you'll understand that the Fibonacci is a pattern that comes in nature. It comes in pretty much everything in life. It's a magical thing, and it's kind of scary, really. When you mark the pre-market, what time you're starting at? Pre-market, it's the same thing as we always do with SPY, right? So you just look to the left. So here is where we opened at 9:30. Look to the left. This is the highest point. Okay, so look, this is the highest point. Okay, so this is Sunday, so you don't count Sunday, right? This is the highest point. So you look to the left, find your highest and your lowest point. That's the key. Okay, tradingwars.com. So many of you know that I did a 24-hour book sale yesterday, but honestly, we're dropping a crazy Fibonacci video like I just did today. We got to extend this deal another 24 hours. All right. So anyone right now for the next 24 hours that buys this book, Fibonacci Golden Partnership, or any one of my 3 books, instead of getting 30 days access in the Discord, will get 60 days in the Discord. So we're going to double it up, 60 days for $100. You get my Nirvana and Golden Indicators for life with alerts. Okay. So hope you guys can take advantage of that offer, and I would hope to see you in the Discord tomorrow. So what we're going to do now is I'm going to look at some picks for tomorrow. So this is how I come up with my picks. I use Trendspider or Thinkorswim. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to scan for some holy grails. So we have a lot of really hot patterns tomorrow. So we have Etsy. Etsy, guys, has been consolidating for a long time. I don't really play it as a day trade, but it is something. If you're going long-term bullish, long-term bearish, this is a nice little pattern to get in. Costco, Costco, again, same type of consolidation. A lot of these things have been consolidating for a long time. All right. So eventually there's going to be a breakup. Can't consolidate forever. Let's look for some Nirvanas. I bought your book this evening, and I'm looking forward to trading with the Discord community. Thank you, my brother. Appreciate you. No Nirvanas. Let's look for some blue raindrops. All right. So KO, good potential swing. I like to use these big volume ones. So I'm going to go ahead and post my picks right after this, guys. I'll post it on the YouTube. Make sure you subscribe. That's pretty much it. Don't forget about the deal. Like I said, was there something else I was supposed to say? Yes, I want to talk about the seminar. Okay. So the seminar was originally scheduled for this next Friday, April 23rd, or is that this Friday? This Friday, April 23rd. So we rescheduled the seminar to April 30th. Because a lot of people have asked me. So the seminar is now going to be April 30th from 3 to 4 p.m. Eastern. This seminar is only for members. So you must be in the Discord to have access to this. This is something that I do every few months, that I go through all of my systems, and it's a confidential thing. So I'm not going to post it on YouTube. And I'm going to talk about a lot of things with the broker that I rather say in a smaller environment and teach a smaller community. So if you guys are interested, you can. For example, if you want to, if you have all 3 books, the seminar is for free. Okay, straight up. So any of my members that are in the Discord, you have all 3 books, it's free. Or you can pay $100 and I'll send you a free book and you can get access. Or the other option is, with this deal, you buy all 3 books, that'll give you 6 months access, and you'll have access to the seminar. I know a lot of people have been asking about that, so I just wanted to make that clear. But you must be an active member. Okay, guys, active, because the things that I'm going to talk about are based on the last month. All right. So if you haven't been there, then it doesn't really make sense. Okay. One last thing I want to say before closing off is, just been on this extremely crazy win streak with the Fibonacci. And, I just show you guys in the Discord here. You could read through all of these, live commentary we have filled at 11:20, and, all the plans and everything. It's been a crazy win streak. And to be honest, it's just great. I just want to say I'm thankful and grateful for community of these Fibonacci traders, because what we do is we hunt for deals. We wait for deals. We don't chase. We don't have FOMO. We don't look at Joe, Flo, and Mo. We don't look at any of those things. We follow the price action. We trust in the process of the Fibonacci. 618 pullback is a 61.8% discount. If we move from 0 to $1, okay, 61.8% pullback of that would be at 1 minus 618. Okay, that's where it would be, and your stop loss would be at the 0. So what that does is that gives you the power to control your risk. That's probably the most important thing, because when you take the when you take a fib, you know where your stop loss is, right? So let's look at this one, for example, from here, high to low right here. Okay, this fib, you know your stop loss is at the high. Okay, so that's the key. Manage your risk. That's the most important thing. Where is the army button? I'll show you that, brother. So you can click join right here. Okay, or if you're watching the video, it'll be in the description below. All right, that's it, guys. I appreciate you, man. Thank you. There's a lot of people that turned out today, and I'm very happy because I wasn't going to stream today, but it really made my day to see so many people in here. So how about this? On the way out, let's do a giveaway. Hit me with a 5 if you want to give away. Haven't seen 130 people live in such a long time, so let's do a giveaway on the way out. Hit me with a 5. Make sure you guys hit the like button, subscribe, okay? Leave a comment, do everything you got to do, all right? Hit me with a 5 right now, and let's do a giveaway. So how will we do this giveaway? That is a good question. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. I'm going to go right here to my channel and live. So yesterday's video was a great video. It was the recap for the week. Unfortunately, we didn't get a lot of views, but we got a lot of good people that came out. And I want to encourage you guys, if you haven't watched this video, to please do. This video talks about all the trades we took last week. Okay, is this book an ebook? Yes, sir. I'll email it to you. So right now, go ahead and leave a comment. All right, leave a comment here. So leave a comment here. So I'm doing 2 giveaways. The first one I'm going to do is for a book. So I'm going to pick a comment here, and I'm going to give away a book in 1 month for free in the Discord. The second thing I'm going to do is, if you leave a comment, like, and subscribe, I'm going to be next week, I'm going to be picking 2 people that left a lot of comments, subscribe, etc., etc. I'm going to be picking 2 people to join the seminar for free. Okay, but I want to make sure you're the right people, meaning, you're not there to troll. People that are serious. Okay, so let's leave those comments. All right, so here we go. John, thanks for the lesson tonight. Thank you, brother. Appreciate you. What's up, everybody? So did we have comments? So I don't think it loaded yet. I don't see any new comments. So go ahead, comment right here. Okay, guys? I'm waiting for you guys. John, what's going on, brother? Thank you. All right, hit me with a 5 if you've commented. Did you comment? Hit me with a 5. Man, Fibonacci is a great thing. All right, let's refresh. What's up, everybody? Praveen, what's going on, brother? Welcome to the Trading Wars Army, guys. Let's send Praveen some TW Army Spy VIP love. Welcome, my brother. Appreciate you. Army recruit button is right here, brother. Click join right on the video. All right. Okay, I see the comments here now. Ooh, whoa. So looks about 35 comments. For some reason, this doesn't update anymore. Does anybody know how to change this so that I could see all the comments? I don't know why. This doesn't change anymore, so I have to guesstimate. It looks like 35. So I'm going to pick a number right here, 1 and 35. Drum roll, please. Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Boom. 34. Okay, here we go. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2. Oh my God, I messed it up, guys. There is no 34. There's only 33 comments. All right. Hit me with a 1 if we re-roll. Hit me with a 1 if we should re-roll. What do you guys think? I feel like I just screwed up the giveaway. Or hit me with a 1 if we should re-roll. Hit me with a 2 if we should do something different. Okay, so I see the re-roll. All right, let's do the re-roll. All right, 3, 2, 1. 17. Here we go. Back up top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Danny, you are the winner, my friend. Danny, you are the winner. I hope you're in the chat. If not, email rich@tradingwars.com. We'll get you your 1 book for free and your 30 days in Discord. Danny, I know you've been a long-time Trading Wars Army subscriber, so I'm happy that you had a chance here to win, guys. All right. All right. Otherwise than that, hey, Wolf of Options, welcome to the Army, brother. Appreciate you. All right. All right, Danny, thank you. Thank you, everyone, for being here. It was a good stream. I definitely recommend you rewatch this video because I talked about a few concepts that's taken me about a decade to really understand. Market symmetry, pre-market, there's a lot going on in here. So if you need to rewatch this, definitely do. This is probably one of the best videos I've done in a long time. Thank you so much for your time, guys. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you again. Take care.